Hello guys, how to solve the Rubik's Cube the first time. So let's scramble it. First, make a daisy in the top one. Over here, like this. Over here, not yellow, not yellow. Just white pieces go on the top. Like, just do this. The last is over here. And boom, like this. Look, like this. Like that. So make sure line up this. Make sure line up this one and go to the bottom and the white. You've done the cross over here. Make sure subscribe and comment to that. And you've done the cross. Make sure line up like this the colors in this. First, make a full move like this. Like this. I do this a full move. This is in the left, so let's go up. Is that so I have a pair over here, like this pair. So let's solve it and like this pair. So let's answer it now. Look, it is solved orange and green. Look. So let's make a pair now. So let's make F12. Let's call it F12, or is that I'm done. And so I have an algorithm. Don't do this like F R R and you R prime, U prime, like that. No, don't do that. So let's make sure have a like this one, and I did this algorithm and so the top, and so like this. So in J perm like this. I'm sorry, my brother is Bisaya, so my cousin is here. So algorithm pillow. Goodbye.